Hi, in this video I will show you how to change DPI on Dell mouse. So first, check for the DPI button. So most Dell mice have a small button behind the scroll wheel. Press it once to cycle through preset DPI levels like 800, 1200, 1600 or 2400 DPI. Each press changes sensitivity instantly. Now, step 2 is using Dell Peripheral Manager if supported. So if your mouse supports software control, open Microsoft Store. So go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store, hit enter and search Dell Peripheral Manager. So I will go to the search bar and search for Dell Peripheral Manager. Click on that application and install and open it. Click on install. Now, after you open the application, your mouse will appear on the dashboard. Now, if your model doesn't support DPI changes, you can simply go to the search bar and search for settings. Now, choose Bluetooth and devices and here choose mouse. Now, you can increase or decrease the mouse pointer speed for smoother feels. This doesn't change DPI but helps adjust sensitivity. Now, what you can also do is update your mouse drivers. So go to the search bar and search for device manager. Now, choose mice and other pointing devices, right click and click scan for hardware changes. What you can also do is right click on your Dell mouse and click update driver. After you do all these, what you can also do is replace the battery. So low battery can affect sensitivity. Put in a fresh battery and reconnect the mouse. Now, after your application gets downloaded, you'll have to simply open the application. After you do this, your mouse will appear on the dashboard, click sensitivity or DPI settings and choose the exact DPI levels you want. So that's a simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.